Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man here. So Airbnb number 5 coming at you. So this deal I bought for $117,000 off the MLS, first day, Central Phoenix location. Best part, guys, it was completely renovated. So my job with our team was just to buy all the decor, find all the decor going into the unit, and shop economically. So far we're about 7,000 into it. We'll probably be 8,000 out the door. Took us about 10 days or so from the time we close till the time we'll go live with launching on Airbnb. So as you can see, the kitchen was completely renovated when we bought it. New cabinets, new countertops, sale of the century, you could call it. We started shopping online through Wayfair and some other online furniture outlets. Also, we shop at local Potato Barn here in Arizona. I do a lot of Costco shopping on carpet. So this area here in the living room, I bought through some local stores in town, Costco. We also went to At Home store, a large furniture store called Potato Barn. I bought this piece. I bought a coffee table for 90 bucks, usually like 300 bucks or 400 bucks. Also, I bought a bar that was deep discount, normally 1,400 bucks for 200 bucks at Potato Barn. So shout out to Potato Barn. Artwork was, I don't even remember where we got that piece, but I love it because it kind of goes with our Phoenix big city vibe down here. We're in Central Phoenix, so it's coming along nicely. So come on over, I'll show you the 2 bedrooms here. Again, brand new cabinets. The unit was completely painted. The vanities were done, the mirrors, everything was already here when I bought it for $117,000. So we just added the decor. I bought these. We're doing like a rust orange for the bedding there. That was like $75, 80 bucks online. So the headboard, and then I bought the mattress and box spring king for 220 bucks. So you can see, guys, it's important to manage your costs when you're doing this. We put TVs in each room. Those TVs are about 100 bucks each. All right, let's check out the other one. So this is the other bedroom. Both bedrooms are about the same size. Always get brand new mattresses, box springs. This is a queen, 200 bucks. We got some of this from Potato Barn. We got TVs at Costco. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's coming along. It's kind of a big city Paris vibe down here. So definitely hit me up if you guys want to learn more about Airbnbs or you want to stay at one of our Airbnbs. All right, if you guys want to know any more, subscribe and like the video on my YouTube channel at Flip In America.